We just got a box from Baah Yarn filled with La Jolla. Thought you guys might like to see what's inside. Hopefully you won't see me cutting my finger with the box knife. That'd make for really good TV. Alrighty, check it out. These two are reorders. We have had the full range on their rhythm speckled colors and on their I can't even say this, dipped and dappled, that's a tongue twister. But now we've added all of the variegated shades in La Jolla from Baah Yarn, and they are so pretty. Okay, that's the rhythm color. And as is that, we must have been out of a lot of those. And these are gonna be all of the new shades. Look how pretty. Lots of color. All these. That one's fun. Check out that. We still have more. There's a lot packed in this box. And now we're down to the last few. So you can now shop the full range of La Jolla from Baah Yarns, either in-store or online at news.swagger.com. Find the link for today's post and it will take you to all the information. We'll have it up on our website shortly.